Good morning, my dear students. Today we start our new chapter, charts in Excel. Microsoft Excel. We know that Microsoft Excel is a calculation or a numerical based solutions program where we can do our mathematical kind of a work. In MS Excel, we can do many kind of things. We can create tables, mark sheets, and some mathematics related work. Similarly, in this chapter, according to our data or a basis of our mathematical calculations kind of a work, we can also create a charts. You know charts. Charts, that's like we can say that charts is a pictorial representation of our data. When we have a data, we can also show them into the different kind of a picture. It is very easy to us to analyze them. When we have a analyze our data, we can also create charts in a different manner. So we can say that chart is a pictorial representation of our data that we can analyze our different kind of a work. Then move on. Component of charts. What is chart? We know that. Then when we use or creating charts, we must return their components. Different kind of components that we have in charts. Their axis. You know that chart is belongs to their value and their category. In your mathematics graph, you can also call a graph, but in mathematics you can call the graph. In Microsoft Excel we can also convert into the charts. So in the according to the component of charts, with that we must need a components axis, x-axis, y-axis belongs to their value and category. Charts also based on their value and their category. You know that in your graph book you must put their value and their category into the both ways. According to their value and their category, you draw the bar or a line graph. Similarly, we also do the same pattern while we using chart in MS Excel. So, x-axis, it is a horizontal axis present in the chart. Horizontal, x value that moves on horizontal, where you can put your categories. Then y that means y category. There you can put your value. On the basis of their axis, we can create our chart. So now, according to the Microsoft Excel chart, we also have put axis title. You can also put their title also and their data series. Data series, then when you have created your chart, simply we have just create our chart like that. X category and Y category. It just means that your chart. You have put your categories and you put your values. Basis of category and value you can put your chart. Now you can also put their axis title. You can also put their title. What kind of a title you have to put here mention over there. Then data series. Data series are area where you can put your data like that. Is thus depend of your data. You can also change their types or a value within category. Area, that is called an area of your chart. This area belongs to your chart area. You can put your chart inside this area. Plot area. The plot area is a window enclosed within the axis of the chart. It contains the actual chart or the plotted data. Then legends. Legends are about the values. Similarly, like that we have name and marks. We have four names like that: A, B, C, and D. 20, then 40, then 30, then 25. On the basis of this data, we draw a chart. So that these are all legends also. You can put also in front of including in chart area. Then grid lines. Grid lines, that means the similarly you have not grid lines like that. You will show in your graph book. These are called grid lines. It will useful when we our data in this. These are called grid lines. You can also include in this and also remove. So basically this is your chart in your MS Excel sheet. You can also put some different formatting style using your chart formatting toolbar. So this is the component of your chart where you have an axis, y and x axis, values and their category depending on your values and category. Simply your charts will look like that. Then move on. Type of chart. We have a different kind of a chart. In your maths, you have a most of line chart and a column chart. But in computer, or we can say that in the electronic form of creating a chart, we have a multiple, at least 10 to 15 kind of a charts that we have. Column chart. This is called column chart. Your data is represented in a column manner. This is in column chart. Then line chart. Then line chart. Line chart belongs to line. Your data just move on like that. This is called your line chart. Instead of column, we can use line chart also. Then pie chart, like that. Pie chart is like round shape. This is pie. That is low line. 40, then 30, then 20, then like that. This is called your pie chart. It is represented in a circular form, and your values and category are placed like that. Then bar, just opposite or angle right your data. Your data is going to be like that, like that. This is your simply your chart is going to be like just opposite of your column chart. This is called a bar. This is called pie, and this is called bar. So we have already four: column, bar, pie. Then area chart. Area chart that belongs to all the surface fulfilled with this data. That is called an area chart. Now then move on scatter chart. Scatter chart also belongs like the line chart, but in a dot. You just put some dot onto it. It's just shown in your book. Just then donut chart. Donut chart also in the frame or a force be present like in a pie chart in a donut chart. And then surface chart. Surface chart, that means the area fulfill of the surface. That's called a surface chart. So a part of your different type of a chart, most of the charts used like in a column, pipe or a line and a bar. These are the four main charts types that we can use when we using in create chart in our data using these values axis. So then move on changing the chart type. If you want to change your chart type, you have to just going in a design tab. You have to just going in a design tab. Changing the chart type box, data box will appear. You will find that there are too many different kind of chart types are available there. You have to just choose your which one you want to be put your or you can change your chart type. Go over there and just click onto it. It will just remind you show a different kind of a chart types. There are too many categories also be present over there. Different kind of a shapes, different kind of a angles, or different kind of a pictorial representations kind of a charts will be over there. Just choice of yours which one you want to be put or change with your chart type. Then changing the chart layout. Chart layouts, that means which kind of a layout you want to be present. A layout, that means a display chart within a different layout. You have to just go on a design tab, just click on the chart layout option. You will find similarly different kind of a layout will be present there, and you can choose your chart layout. Similarly, we can also change our chart style also. So it is very simple how to create a chart. We have to first of all we have a data while using or creating a chart. It is very easy to create a chart. Just go to the Microsoft Excel, create some database depending upon your choice. If you want to create a select all the categories, go to the create option. There is a option available on your standard toolbar. There is a chart option, creating a chart, and different kind of a style also be present over there. You have to just go on there and just click onto it and put their axis categories. Which one categories and value must be put? Select them, click onto it, and just go to through that. Change different type of a chart: line, bar, dognut, scatter, radar, pie. So using these features, you can also create your chart in MS Excel. This is also important while we have analysis our data. If you want to create top 10, if you have created top 10 student of your class, you have to put their data in your tables in a Microsoft Excel table. Select them and create chart. It will comparison through their values. So it is very useful when we compare different kind of a data using a different kind of a category. So that is all for your chapter in chart in Excel. As the same pattern, our homework or exercise will be done in the next session. Thank you.